Alright, now I'm going to show y'all Copacabana 3 and 4. These are smaller pens that I'm going to use to brood small chicks and to specialty breed some roosters and hens. This is number 3. It's got a little house. I got some perches, some roosts on there so they can get up on there. I like to be up high. And this is number 4. Still have to put a couple perches and some stabilizers in here for the wire. But this is gonna complete my chicken coops. I don't think I'll make any more. I have enough chicken coops to I don't know, I could probably have 100 chickens. But I think they came out pretty good. I will be putting the sapphire gems here in Copacabana 4 within the next week or 2. They'll be ready to go. They're almost ready now. And then getting them out of the plastic containers in the shed. There is the final addition to the coop. I have used most of my wrecked greenhouse on the chicken coop. I put the plastic, I used the plastic for a tarp, and I used the pipes to hold the tarp up and to stabilize corners and to make roosts for them. So that was a nice repurpose. Try to use everything I can. Oh, one other thing. I used the shelving material. The shelves in the greenhouse are made out of wire, and so I made a pen to tote chickens and display them when I'm trying to sell them, or if I'm going to buy some little chicken somewhere to tote them around in. Oops. So that was a nice repurpose too. I have enough wire to make one more like that, and that'll be enough for me to sell chickens on the carport in the spring, and to if somebody has some good chickens that I want to go buy, I can go buy their chickens. Thank you for watching my videos. This is Ken. Please subscribe to Farming Le Bon Terre. Thank you.